fourth graders, it's Miss Carrington. You get to be in my class this year. I am super excited because I'm going to be self-contained, which means we don't have a switch class. I get to teach you all the subjects, which also means we get the whole portable. So I've got so many fun ideas for us, and I can't wait to get started. I am sending you this video letter because I want to do more technology this year, and so I'm forcing myself to, and we're going to have a lot of fun in here. I can't wait to see what all you can show me when you come to fourth grade. Friday is Meet the Teacher on 8:30 to 9:15 if your last name begins with A through L. 9:30 to 10:15 for the rest of the alphabet. Although for me, I'm just happy for you to be here whenever you can be here. I'm in the very last portable 144. So I can't wait to see you. Bring your parents and make sure they fill out the link below. I'm going to add a link to a Google form so your parents can put all their information in there, and hopefully that way I can spend more time chatting with you guys instead of y'all having to write while you're here at Meet the Teacher, because I know we all have a lot of places to be. I can't wait to see you on Friday. And bring your school supplies if you didn't already order them. We'll leave them at your desk and we'll get it all figured out for the first day of school. I am excited for this school year. Have a great day. See y'all on Friday.